through. Mkhitaryan through. Aubameyang here. This is for 4-1. Aubameyang beyond Boric. And calm.
Welcome again, Military Guna. Back with you again live. But anyways, now before I get into anything, please, I'm asking you, subscribe and drop a like. Subscribe, drop a like. Look into the comment section. There's lots of activity going on in there. So go in there and get yourself involved. Anyways, what I want to talk about today is something very, very serious. Now, Dani Ceballos and David Luiz. And what I'm saying is this. This has now been the second bust-up between Dani Ceballos and another Arsenal player. Should we look or take this thing into context? You think that it can be blown out of context as well? But listen to this. Alright, listen to this. Dani Ceballos went in a bust-up with Eddie Nketiah, and now he went in another bust-up with David Luiz, and he was left with a bloody nose. That was reported by David Ornstein and quite a few other media outlets. So it is still unconfirmed because Dani Ceballos came out on his Twitter account and said that was fake story. I'm not sure if David Luiz came out and said anything, but Dani Ceballos came out and said it was fake. But we all know that things will be hidden and they'll try their best not to hit the open doors because they want to keep things calm and relatively quiet inside the camp. But we all know as fans that these things happen because no one is perfect, and that's about 25 male in the same zone, and at some point in time disagreements will arrive, and not everyone will I would say that everyone will deal with disagreements in the same manner. Some will be more aggressive, some will be more ill-tempered. So for example, just as how Eddie Nketiah and Dani Ceballos incident didn't escalate in any proportion as though this was, but David Luiz is a different person, and maybe David Luiz is a more physical person and a more maybe deem himself as a alpha male in the pack. So you should not try to disrespect him in any manner or any, I should say, any demeanor of such sort. But what happened is that David Luiz one punch inside of Dani Ceballos' face, and I may assume that it hits him in nosebridge right here. But anyways, put that aside. What I want is that I want that same fight. I want that same fight on the pitch Sunday evening. That is the fight that I want on the pitch. If you're going to fight against each other like that, that is the fight I want on the pitch Sunday. I want you to burst some nose trying to get a goal. I want to burst some nose trying to defend or stop the ball from going inside the back of your net. That is what I want. And if I see anything less than that, you guys are taking a piss at the fans. You turn around and you're fighting with each other. And now, when you're supposed to be fighting and busting a gut for the money that you're getting paid to do, for the job that you're getting paid to do, and you're not doing it incompetently, come on. This Sunday is when I want to see the fight. Guts, heart, desire, passion. That is what I want to see Sunday. And anything less, some of you guys will be kicked out of this club. And you guys will be slated openly too. Slated openly, and you deserve it. I'm not going to single out any member of this team. It's the entire team. You guys have been consistently shitting your pants over and over and over again. Get in and get some consistency and play some football. Anyways, I won't go into any rant, and I have a show going live soon. So thank you very much for tuning in. This is Military Guna TV. Like, share, subscribe, drop a comment. I'm out.